All right, what's good, Sneak Peek fam? Thank you guys for joining me for another Mystery Box Friday, and today we are back with the good and the best person to get boxes from, Soul Supremacy. So we do have a Soul Supremacy beater box. It did cost me $12.50 plus shipping, about $12.80 that we spent on this box. Let's go ahead and dig right into it right after this. All right, so like I said, this is a $1,280 mystery box from Soul Supremacy. The beater boxes usually come with shoes that are beaters, but still have tons of life left. They just usually need cleaning, but also the profit margins are supposed to be very, very good. So what we're gonna do is go through this box. We're gonna have a counter right over here that's gonna list everything for us. It's gonna tell us the market value, and at the very end, we're gonna see the total sum of the market value of the entire box. We're gonna subtract it from the cost of the box, leaving us with our total profit margin. So we're gonna go ahead and open this right now. If you guys are interested in anything, and sorry for if it seems like there's a lot more mess going on, is because there kind of is. So kind of leading to that point, anything that you see in this box typically is for sale. And usually I do post it up on my Instagram and my eBay page, but currently I am holding on to all of my items because I'm opening up a store. So usually these would just be, put online super quick and we'd clean them up and do all that stuff. But because of the store, everything is kind of taking a stop. So that way we could prep for opening up, grand opening, doing all that stuff, and just making sure I have enough inventory for the store. So part of this beater box is gonna, be part for the store. So if you guys are interested in following the store's Instagram page, I would greatly appreciate all of the love and all the support. It's gonna be right here. It's gonna be at Holy Ground Shop. So the store name is gonna be Holy Ground, and so that's the Instagram for it. There's also gonna be a link in the description box down below, just so it's easy access for you guys. But we do have this box, so enough of me talking, let's dig in. All right, guys, let's go ahead and give you guys a sneak peek. Woo! Oh, baby. It's looking kind of good. Well, it looks like a mix, all right? So I've been wanting some more dunks just because, especially for the store, like I need more dunks, but there are a couple Adidas boxes in there, but who knows? So we are gonna get Adidas out of the way. So over here, we do have a size 9 NMD runner. And it is this brand new? I believe that this is dead stock. So this is a dead stock pair of NMDs, which at least it's dead stock, so it's easier to move. These are a size 9 in what seems like just a normal gray with a little bit of red blocking. So definitely not a bad shoe because it's dead stock, but also I know NMDs aren't like the big thing anymore. So maybe this one might be worth like $70 to $100. I'm not very sure. But we also have an Ultra Boost box, which is an Ultra Boost M, which I don't know if M stands for men or something, but it looks like we do have a triple white 2.0, I believe. I think this is a triple white one. So it is dead stock also. Like I said, it is a size 9. So usually these ones probably hold a little bit more value because they are all white. So I would guess maybe around retail, so maybe around 180. I could be wrong. I don't really keep up with Ultra Boost and NMD anymore, but we do have a bunch of Nike SB boxes. So sometimes that's good, sometimes it's not so good. Here we do have another size 9, Nike SB GTS Quick Strike. So we do have a pair of Nike SBs, but these are a Supreme collab, and I think these are dead stock as well. So we have a Supreme Nike shoe, but you do see that there are little hints of Supreme just mostly on the back heel and the little red tab right here. The insoles also have red Supreme on them, so that's kind of cool, but I don't know how much these would go for. It is probably one that's a little bit more low-key, probably not as hyped up as some other Supreme shoes, just because it's not like on a popular model. You feel me? So let's see. I wonder if they're all gonna be like that. So we do have another pair, size 9, but in blue. This one's honestly a little bit cooler though, just because for me, It's like the denim blue. I mean, I wish it was maybe a darker wash, but because it is denim, like you could distress it and make it look kind of all beat up. So I guess not bad. This one is dead stock too, but the lace bag has ripped off. So that's the only downside of it, but they're still dead stock to me. So we do have that one. I'm wondering if we just have like a whole collection of these SBs. So we do have another size 9 in the white pair. Wow, so we literally got a whole collection of Supreme Nike SB shoes. This one's a white canvas type of material, a little bit more cream, I guess. I mean, I don't know if anyone's interested in these, but the cool thing is probably this little hang tag that is right here. So I think that's probably like the coolest piece, just because I don't really feel the shoes that much, but it is a orange Nike Supreme little hang tag. So we do have another one. So we do have the red pair, which I'm guessing might be the pair that goes for the most amount of money just because it is red. So another Supreme pair, chalking up all these Supreme pairs. All right, so there's 4 more pairs, which gets me a little bit nervous because when there's a lot more pairs in a expensive box, usually means that there's not really a lot of good shoes. Like it's a lot of like average shoes, but let's see and hope that we get a good banger. All right, so we do have a size 9. These are all size 9, man. Someone's collection. And we do have a pair of Hyper Revs, which is a basketball shoe. It says it's a PE, so I'm not sure what player this is. I wonder if this is like a Draymond Green. I don't know if you guys could see that on the ankle, but it has like the numbers, which it looks like it's Draymond Green because I think he's number 23. I see 23 and DG on there, so if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I mean, he's not really one of my favorite players. I know a lot of people love him and hate him. I'm kind of just, I don't know how to feel about him. Let's see here. We got another orange Nike box. So this is a size 9.5 in a Flyknit Racer. And that's exactly what we got. So we do have a Flyknit Racer in the classic black and white colorway. So at least this is a good colorway, and they're also dead stock. So all these shoes are brand new, which is cool. And these are honestly a great shoe for the summer. I'm not sure how much these are going for anymore, but I mean, they've discontinued Racers, so prices are probably a little bit random. Like, I don't know. So these honestly might be going for more than I expect because they were sitting at the malls for forever and on discount for a long time. But at least it's dead stock, so we can move them. And over here we do have the Nike Air Pegasus 83 CDG. So, wow. I didn't even know this shoe came out. But we do have a size 9 in the triple black CDG, which stands for Como de Garçon or something like that. I don't know if my pronunciation is always right, but it's another dead stock shoe. Not sure how much these go for because honestly, this really isn't my favorite Nike silhouette, but I do think the stamp on CDG in the back is cool. There's a little damage to the box, which technically I could tape back on if I really wanted to, which actually I might need to. So another like whatever shoes. All right, y'all, sorry if the camera angle shifted or whatever, but my phone, I forgot to delete some of my old videos, so there was not enough storage. So I did open one box, the very last box in this beater box, and it was a pair of these Air Force One multicolored Flyknits. So very, very sad, very, very much of a letdown. I mean, like I said, I don't know what all of these go for, and I know Soul Supremacy is good with their boxes. So to get this one, it's kind of a letdown, but I'm guessing the value's there, but hey, you guys don't have to guess because I do all of this work after and let you guys see what really pays off. So right now I'm feeling kind of bummed, but who knows how I feel after. Anyways, the market and the counter is going to be over here, and so the whole value of the box itself is going to be right here, and we got to subtract the cost of the box. So minus that out and this is what we're left with our profit. So hopefully it's better than I think, and hopefully I can make some money, but all of this stuff is going to be for sale. I'm not going to hold it for the shop. I'm actually going to sell it to maybe one of you guys and hopefully free up some more money so that way I can buy some more inventory. So we got some work to do, but let me know what you guys think about this box. Let me know your comments and your thoughts. And if you guys can, please go and follow and support Holy Ground Shop. It definitely means a lot. You guys have already been supportive so much already with just the Mystery Box Friday episodes, the vlog videos, all of that stuff. So thank you, and thank you. With all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and cut this video off, and we're gonna go ahead and see you guys on next week's episode. Peace.